Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we are looking at a plugin called Tab 5A or Tap 5A by I'll put a link in the description below to the playlist with their plugins that they made, because there are different variants of this plugin, so feel free to check it out. Like you saw at the beginning, I was able to animate in and out a character super quickly. I didn't just animate in and out that character at the beginning just so I could use them in the thumbnail. I would never do anything like that. By the way, if you want to know how to make thumbnails for gaming characters, there will be a card top right hand corner. But let's get into the plugin, shall we? We want to first let's create a text. It's easier to show off the plugin with a text. This can work with anything, but when I do text, when I hit Control T to just get a basic text, okay? And we'll make it this long because reasons. Okay, and then for the text, we will simply just have it say subscribe, sus, wait, that's Among Us, and we make it a little bit bigger. I know it doesn't matter too much, but you know, if you're going to do something, you may as well go all the way, right? Okay, we're gonna make it capital. Okay, now I'm getting too much into whatever. We're going to give it an outline and a drop shadow so you guys can see it well enough. And we are going to drag it. No, we'll drag it here. Yeah. Normally, you'd have to, worry about keyframes and putting it into a whole other clip, a compound clip and all that. But with this plugin, how to install plugins, I actually have a whole video about that. I go step by step how to install plugins in Final Cut Pro. But what we're going to do here is just here. We are just going to drag this here, plain and simple. And now that we have it dragged here, we go to our inspector and we see the Tap 5A quick in out animator. So if we play it exactly how it is right now, it just animates in real quick and then just subtly fades out. Which I actually like that the way it is, but we can change a few things. Like say we want to continue to fly from the left, but say we want it to instead. Let's see how that works, shall we? Okay, subscribe. And then it blurred out. Plain and simple. Now let's try one more for the purpose of this, because this is very cool. It's always important to get how you want. See, zoomed out, just like that. Plain and simple. And yeah, everything works great. And what's great, and like I said, this is a text layer. I'm not used to being able to animate in and out text layer super easy. And the best part is this is a completely free plugin, 100% free as of making this video. So yeah, definitely check it out. It saves a bunch of time from having to keyframe every little thing for a simple in-out animation. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this plugin. I actually think it is pretty cool. And I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to share with you guys something I thought was cool and that could potentially save you all a lot of time. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the future. Later.